Here's another part of the layout. Some flats, industrial flats. The main line comes into a yard. And here we have some idling trains. Here we have a CN caboose and a CP MLW locomotives, anyways. M363s maybe. Really well done. With they're idling. You can hear the actual engine noises that they make. They have a speaker inside them. And here we have this really large yard. This has a capacity of probably 300 cars. And I can tell they don't have really everything that they have. It's just a little sampling. Here's the CN locomotives. CN wide cab. Not quite scenically finished on that end, but very interesting.